Hello everyone, this is Farzan here from Language Academy with another video today. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss a very important aspect of our listening module. Like many students, they have asked us that, okay, how should I get my score in listening? So in this video, I will be telling you daily planner how to get your listening score. If you follow these planners and if you follow the guideline which I'm going to tell you in this particular video, I will make sure that you will get your desired score in your listening module. Okay. First of all, it is very important to know that how your marking criteria is actually distributed and how you are going to be marked on. Alright. Listening points are not only coming from your listening section, but speaking is also contributing a lot. Okay. As you guys can see on the board, I have priority 1 and priority 2 task. Okay. Priority 1 task you are going to do every single day, and priority 2 you have to give a gap of 1 day and then you have to repeat. Okay. First of all, very important task, if you want to get your score in your listening, you have to do at least 30 repeat sentences every single day. Now, although the repeat sentence is a task in your speaking module, but still it has a huge contribution towards your overall score in your listening. Okay. And I have met many students who don't get their score in their listening just because they are messing up their repeat sentences. Okay. So make sure that whenever you are doing it, you should do at least 30 repeat sentences every single day. If you are someone who has just started their preparation, or if you are someone who has who haven't been in touch with the PT exam, in the beginning that will be a little bit difficult. That will be a little bit tricky as well to get your answers right. But after daily practice, you will see the difference. So do at least 30 repeat sentences every single day. You will see that within 1 week, you will find your desired results and you will feel the difference as well. Okay. Other very important aspect in your listening is your write from dictation. Make sure that you guys are doing at least 30 write from dictations every single day. Now, write from dictation is a task which can be said that this is the most important task of your whole PT exam. And this is like a make or break of this task. If you are making mistakes in this one, then it will be very difficult for you to get 79 plus. So make sure that whenever you are doing it, try to do at least 30 write from dictations every day. And I'm not just saying for the sake of it that, okay, just do 30 like that. There is a logic behind it. If you do that, only then you will feel confident that, okay, in the exam, if any sentence can come, I will be able to smash it. So be very careful about it. Make sure that you are doing at least 30 write from dictations every single day if you want to get your 90 points in your listening. These tasks, they look very simple. Like repeat sentence, you just have to hear a sentence and then you have to repeat it. Write from dictation, you will just listen to the sentence and then you have to write it down. But they are very important one, and they are literally the make or break of this. Many students I have seen who don't get their score in their listening module is just because they are making mistake in either write from dictation or repeat sentences. Now, third very important task in your listening is your summarize spoken text. Many students, they don't pay too much attention on this, and they're like, okay, summarize spoken text, I will just, whatever I'm hearing, I will just write it down. Now, that is like very wrong concept, I would say. Okay. Make sure that whenever you are doing your summarize spoken text, you have to get good keywords. If you are not getting good keywords, you are not going to get your score. And it will take your listening score down and it will take your writing score down as well. What are the good keywords? Many students, what they do is they just write anything which they want. Let's say you got let's say in the audio, you heard a word helping younger people. Now, if you write only helping, that is not a good keyword. You have to write the whole chunk of word like helping younger people. If you want to write economic benefits, let's say you heard that and you write only economic is not a good keyword. So practice at least 3 summarized spoken text every single day and try to get good keywords and get them evaluated from us or from any other tutors, and make sure that you are getting the right feedback. Okay. That's what I would always recommend whenever you are doing summarized spoken text. Try to come to our lab sessions and then practice it, because so that we can give you the live feedback that, okay, this is a mistake which you are doing, and then you won't be able to repeat the same mistake again. So this is very important task. Try to do at least 3 to 4 every single day so that you are confident and you know what are the good keywords. In the beginning, I can understand it will be a bit tough, but then after 1 or 2 weeks, you will feel the difference and you will know that, okay, these are the difficult words, these are the good keywords, so I should get those. Okay. Now let's move on to the priority 2 tasks. These ones are also important for your listening score, but you don't have to do it every single day. Give a gap of 1 day and then you can do the second one and the third one and so on. Okay. Level 2 tasks are, first of all, fill in the blanks of your listening. Do at least 10 after every 1 day. Okay. So let's say if you're not doing today, do tomorrow 10 listening fill in the blanks. Listening fill in the blanks is again a highly underrated task. Many students don't pay too much attention on this. Make sure this is a very important one. Be very careful about S, ES, and ED forms in this one. Be very careful about spellings in this one so that you can get your score. Okay. Remember that marks will be going into your listening section as well as your writing section. So you have to be good in this one. Second task is your highlight incorrect words. That is very, very important. And nowadays, people are getting some difficult audio. So that task requires your attention and it requires your focus. Okay, so don't just take it for granted and be like, okay, I will just do it on the day. It's not gonna work. Okay, so make sure that you should do at least 10 after the gap of every 1 day. Do like I would recommend, try to increase your speed a bit. If you are doing everything perfectly, like for the first week, you feel like, okay, all my answers are correct. Try to increase your speed a bit, because in the exam nowadays, some fast audios are coming. We have students who told us that they have got very like pure Australian accents or very fast accents. Okay, so I want you guys to be prepared for that kind of scenario as well, because anything can happen in the exam. So you have to make sure that you are practicing this properly. Other task which is very important for your listening is retell lecture. So try to do at least 3 to 4 every day. Like after the day gap of 1 day, make sure that for your retell lecture as well, get good keywords. Don't just get whatever you are hearing, you are just saying it for the sake of it. No, just try to get good keywords, try to get nouns, try to get proper nouns, try to get any time durations, any eras, any like if you want to use any adjective, use it with the noun. Okay, don't just say happy. Happy what? Happy people, happy parents, whatever you want to say, just combine it together. Don't just say beneficial. Beneficial to the older people, beneficial to the younger people, something like this. So get these kind of keywords, and that will also only happen with practice. Make sure that whenever you are doing your retell lecture as well, try to do it in the lab session so that we can give you the feedback and we can tell you, okay, this is the area where you are lacking or this is the area where you are struggling, so then you can improve. Now, if you do all of these 6 tasks in the way I'm telling you and regularly, trust me guys, you are going to get your score in your listening and definitely you will be able to smash it. Thank you so much. Come to the lab, make sure that you are practicing and get the right feedback so that you can get your desired score. Thank you so much for this video. We'll be back with some more. Thanks a lot.